got quite a few coats. Not quite a few, maybe a few. Didn't need too much. I'm just going to sand this back a little bit with some 1500. Well, there it is, all buffed out. It's damn near brand new. Sort of. New old. They use this polishing compound, True Tone. Stuff works awesome. Okay, now I'm going to put the tuners back on it, get this thing strung up, and see how she sounds. You know, I'm just noticing these tuners. I'm not sure if I'm right on this, but they're upside down. And if I try and flip it, the holes don't line up. But the way these, see how they're different lengths? Kind of works that way, but usually the gear, the gear is on the top and the sprocket is on the bottom. Usually. I don't know, maybe this is how they make mandolins, but that is how these go back together. Just thought I'd share that with you. Just gluing in. These holes here were a little smaller, so I was able to use just skewers. Gonna let these dry. No way to hold this thing. Locate the center one. Pull a little tape, get a little pilot drill started. Get one screw in there, hold it. And then I'll come back and drill the other two. These are not the right screws, I don't believe, because they're flathead. Well, flathead. And the holes are not countersunk for flathead. Right now, yeah, don't like the way that feels. It's anyway, just giving this fingerboard a little bit of love. It's got some little grooves in the frets here. These are just flat wire. It's just there's no tang on that. It's just straight wire. And just give it a light dressing, clean it up, oil up the fingerboard, and I'm going to try to string it up. My concern is I'm going to put a straight edge on here. You could probably see it's pretty low. And the bridge needs some help. I'll put it on the bridge, sit it on there, you can see it's going to be high action. which for a mandolin you don't want too high. I do have some room to come down on this. I don't know if it's that a great idea to take too much off of this, but I'm going to try to help it a little bit. Let me work on all that. I'll be right back. Just doing some micro pads on these frets. This bridge needs to rework the top. It's a little boogered up. It could stand to come down a little bit too, so I'm just gonna file it down, and I already marked off where the string spacing is. I'll reshape this top, bring it down, and then file some new slots for the strings, and hopefully that'll work out much better. The intonation spot is a little different than it was originally. Although looks like there's several different positions for this. Okay, that's close. I'm going to string it up. I won't bore you with this. I'll be back. All right, I got it all strung up. See what she looks like. Obviously not perfect. I guess it's, what, 100 years old or better? I don't know how to play a mandolin yet. Maybe when I come back I'll know a few chords. I think I know one chord. I don't even know what it's called, but... So here's the finish on this old Washburn mandolin. You can see it's not perfect. You can still see the repairs, the cracks, but they're solid. Can't feel them. Finish wise, it looks okay. I ended up putting a little bit of shellac in these wear spots here just to even it up a little bit. And still has this hole. Maybe one day I'll put the electronics back in it. Thanks for watching.